Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to use Visual Edit to customize your B12 website. By the end, you'll know how to edit text, update images, change your site style, and adjust your forms, all from B12's point-and-click tool. Visual Edit is a user-friendly editing tool built right into the B12 AI agent chat. It lets you make changes directly on your site. Changes appear in real time in the website preview. Just click what you want to update, make your changes, and save. To get started, click Visual Edit in the AI Agent chat box. At first, you'll see design settings appear in the left sidebar where you can edit site-wide styles. We'll come back to this later. To make a change, just click on any element in your site preview. The left sidebar will show available editing options for that element. You can also send a message to the agent that specifically targets the element you chose. Let's start by editing text. With Visual Edit enabled, click the text element you want to update, whether that's a heading, body copy, a call to action button, or anything else. At the top of the panel, you'll see the type of element you've selected, like an H1 heading, along with its current text. The panel is organized into a few sections. Content is where you edit the text itself. Just type your new copy directly into the field. Under typography, you can fine-tune how the text looks. Choose a font like default, sans, serif, or mono. Set the weight and style, adjust the font size, and control alignment. You can also switch the text case, set the line height, and adjust letter spacing. Under colors, set the text color and the background color for that element. The changes show in the preview instantly. A background image can be added too. It will fill the text box. Click Choose from Library to upload one, pick a saved image, search free Pexels photos, or generate one with the AI agent. The Layout section lets you control spacing around and inside the element. Margin sets the space outside it, and padding sets the space within it, each adjustable on all four sides. Under Border, you can set the border's color, style, and size. Appearance lets you adjust the element's opacity, how see-through it is, and radius, how rounded its corners are. And Shadow lets you set a shadow color for that element. Review all of your changes, and if you're happy with them, click Save to apply everything at once. Now let's update an image. Make sure to toggle Visual Edit on. Click the image you want to change, and the Settings panel will open with a few options. Edit lets you crop, flip, rotate, or apply filters to the image. Use orientation to rotate or flip it. To crop, click Crop Image, drag to select the part you want to keep, then click Crop to apply. Open the Filters menu to add effects like blur, grayscale, or sepia. Some come with sliders, so you can dial in exactly how strong they look. Click Save inside that tool when you're done. Metadata lets you add alternative text, also called alt text, to the image. This is important for accessibility, especially for visitors who rely on screen readers. Replace lets you swap the image entirely. You can upload one from your device through the library option, search for free stock photos from Pexels, or use the AI agent to generate a new image that fits your brand or industry. Just note that generating a new image uses AI credits. Image generation may take up to 2 minutes to appear, so don't worry if you don't see the change right away. Visual Edit also lets you adjust your contact forms. Turn on Visual Edit, then click on a form in your website preview and a pop-up will appear. Click Edit Form, and the left sidebar will open with your form settings. At the top, under Content, you can rename the form using the title field, for example, Contact Us. Next is automated emails to your client. This is the confirmation email your visitor receives after they submit the form. You can set the From email address and customize the email template's content. Below that is automated emails to you, the notification you receive when someone submits. Here you can set the From address, add CC and BCC recipients, and customize your email template. Next Steps lets you define what happens after someone submits the form. You can customize the success message that appears after submission. Under Next Step, you can click to add a redirect to another page or website after someone submits the form. It defaults to none, but you can choose redirect to another page. If you choose a redirect, click Add Redirect to link the page, then enter the web address under Links to. Just note that your success message won't display if you've selected a redirect as the next step. As you work, B12 lets you know when you have unsaved changes. You can discard them or click Save to apply everything at once. If you're comfortable working with code, you can edit it with Visual Edit. First, click the element you want to change. In the pop-up that appears, click Edit Code. This takes you straight to the Code View tab, and the exact code you need will already be highlighted. Make your changes right there in the editor. You can switch between Code View and your website preview anytime using these two icons. Once you're happy with your changes, click Save in the top right corner to apply them. Let's go back to the design settings. This is what you'll see when you first turn on Visual Edit. There are three groups: colors, fonts, and effects. First, let's look at colors. The color section is organized into categories where you can control different color presets across your website. To change a color, click any color swatch to open the picker. From there, you have three options. Theme lets you choose from colors based on your current website theme. Tailwind gives you a set of preset swatches and shade variations. And Custom lets you pick any color you want using the color canvas, the sliders, or by typing a specific hex, RGB, or opacity value. The Fonts section lets you change the three default font styles used across your site: sans serif, serif, and mono. Just click the drop-down next to any font style and choose from B12's available options. Keep in mind that not all three font styles may appear on your site. It depends on your design theme, so don't worry if you only see one or two in use. If you want to use your own font, you can upload one. Click any font drop-down, then select Upload Custom Font. Choose the file from your device, and it's applied site-wide right away. Now let's look at effects. The Effects section controls two visual properties: shadow and border radius. Shadow lets you add or adjust drop shadows on elements across your site. You can control how far the shadow shifts horizontally or vertically, how soft or sharp its edges appear, how far it extends outward, its opacity, and its color. Radius controls how rounded the corners of your buttons, cards, and images appear. Just drag the slider to adjust. Click Save to apply your changes. That covers all the features of Visual Edit. Now you know how to make the common changes quickly, right from your B12 editor. If you have questions, the Help Center has all the answers you need. Check the link in the description. Haven't tried B12 yet? Start for free at www.b12.io and generate your own personalized website. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what you build.